Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will do an activity of comparing numbers. So can you tell me what are comparing numbers? Yes? Okay. So comparing numbers are the numbers when we compare two numbers. Okay. So comparing means to compare from one to another. Okay. See, for example, these two color pens, pencil colors. Now we are compare the size of these two pencil colors. Okay, so which one is bigger? Yes, this obviously this blue color. So like that, if we compare two things, we can compare the numbers also. So we can say comparing numbers. If we are comparing two numbers, so if we are comparing numbers, so we can say comparing numbers. For comparing numbers, we will use some symbols, or we can say some sign. Okay, so see, this is the sign of equal to, equal to sign. Equal to, when two numbers are equal, so we put this equal sign. Okay, and this is the sign of lesser than, less than, when one number is less than another number, so this is less than sign, and this is bigger than sign. This is bigger than sign, when one number is bigger than, so we use this sign. Okay, so when we compare numbers, so we will use these three signs. This is the equal to sign when two numbers are equal, and this is less than sign when one number is less than another number, so we will use this sign. And we use this sign for bigger than if we compare the numbers and the one number is bigger than the next number, so we will use this sign. Okay, let's do an activity for comparing numbers. See, as we have done till 6-digit numbers, so we will not compare the smaller numbers here because you have learned in previous classes also. Now, today we will compare the bigger numbers. Okay, that will easy for you. Okay, so for the activity, what you need these glasses and craft papers, scissor, and you can use sketch pens also. Okay, so for let's see the activity. What you have to do, see, from these craft papers you need to cut the small squares from these three craft papers like this. See, like this you have to make. Okay, not only 3, you have to make at least 20 or more than 20 squares. Okay, see, like this. Okay, now what you have to do, on these squares you have to write numbers. You can write random numbers you can write. 1508. Here you can write only 800. Okay, you have to write random numbers. In that, in next slip you can write 502 like this. Okay, now see, like this you have to write different numbers on different slips. And take these glass, you have to take 3 glasses. Okay, what you have to do on these glasses, here or here, it's easy to make the sign here. You have to add the make lesser than sign, or you have to write and you have to write less than on this glass. Okay, in this make equal to sign and write equal to. In this bigger than, write bigger than. Bigger than. Okay, so first arrange the bigger, then smaller, then equal to, and then smaller. Okay, now one by one, this is bigger, this is equal to, and this is lesser than. Now take these slips. Okay, match these slips. Okay, now take 2 slips at random. Now see the number, this is 800 and this is 6441. So which one is bigger? This, obviously this 6441 is bigger than 800. So biggest is smaller than 6441. So 800 will be in lesser than and 6441 will be in bigger than. Now again take 2 slips. The number will be 1012 and here 8541. So which one is bigger? 8541. So it will go in 5400 in bigger than, and 1000 is smaller than, it will go in smaller. Okay, like this you have to do this activity. So you have to prepare a short video of this activity. Okay, and you have to send us on school WhatsApp number. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.